Welcome to Mr. Khan's classes. Let's discuss output devices. First, understand what is output. Computer process the data into information is called the output. Example: users enter data 50 into 5. Computer process data and give the result 250. 250 is the output. User see output through display devices, speakers, headphones, printers, etc., which is called output devices. Outputs can be different type like text, graphics, audio, video. Output device is a hardware which conveys information to one or more people. Let's discuss output device. 1. Display device. It is an output device which visually shows text video on screen. It exits electronically and appears for temporary. Information on screen is also called soft copy. Display devices like CRT monitors, LCD LED monitors, TV, etc. Printer is the device which prints the soft copy into the paper, which is called hard copy. Various types of printers like inkjet printers, laser printer, photo printer, line printer, etc. Audio device is an output device which produce music, sounds or beeps, etc. Audio devices like speakers, headphone, earphone, etc. Fax machine is a device which transmit documents over telephone lines. It scans original documents, convert it into digitized form, transmit it anywhere over the world on fax machine. Do you know? CRT monitors produce a small amount of electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is a magnetic field that travels at the speed of the light, and it can pose health risk. Thank you. Like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more.